guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought you were the cameraman. Come on.
Okay, whatever. I'm cameraman permanently.
Watch this. Watch how amazing this is.
Hum pump.
Yeah.
Hum it hard.
I don't got flip-flops. It'll hurt.
Okay, stop talking about that on the dang camera. Let's film the dang thing.
I got you.
You got you good. And at home, I got a little kitty. Right now, we're in Florida.
Keegan.
I wish we were in Florida. I was in Florida last week. Right now, we're in Deer Creek. If you're watching this from Ohio, Deer Creek rules. No, Blake, you're not taking the camera.
You two.
I'm cameraman, ain't not Keegan. Keegan, I'm my cameraman.
I gave you the camera.
Whatever, Keegan's cameraman too. Stop doing that! You're interrupting the video. Look at the doggy! Wait! Yes, it's on camera!
Miss me.
Blake, the boy is hugging the girl, Keegan.
Shut up. Hi, Benny. How you doing?
Sorry, guys, if the camera keeps on going off, I got some itches. You don't know where they are.
Oh, that's so cute. Get it from this angle. Hurry up.
Okay, got it. Oh, gosh! Yeah, hump all day, baby. Hump all day. Oh, no. You ain't taking that camera. Oh, yeah, get some, baby.
Freaking weird.
I'll give a crap.
Oh, when he asks for the freaking camera, Charlie, give him the
Ow!
freaking camera.
Whatever, yeah. Rage. Have you ever heard of it? It's a bad thing. Bye-bye. Keegan, run around the tree. Peek around the tree and crap.
Woo! Come on, dog.
Peek. Run. It's an invasion. And we're ending this video at 4 minutes. Are we ending it at 4?
No.
How long? 10? 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
Oh, God.
Dog abuse!
Shut up.
If you're a sheriff, don't watch this.
Please don't.
Because she just did dog abuse. Yeah, you heard of it. Okay, take
Dude, a
the
little
camera.
baby did it.
Take it. What? What? I can't hear you.
A little child did it named Vincent.
Yeah. What?
A child did it, Vincent.
Who did?
His name is Vincent. He's about 2.
What did he do?
He pushed her and kicked her.
Wow, that was dumb.
I know.
Dog abuse by a 2-year-old. I guess she has a reason to do it now. Oh man, look at that little dog.
He's trying to get off the
Woohoo! I want off this week. Those evil people will not.
Yeah, you done, dog?
Terrible truck. Dumb dog. What's the difference is?
I'm dog wrangling.
We're ending this video at 10 minutes, guys. 7 minutes away. Woohoo! A doggy! Come get some of this! Hump! Oh, yes! Ah, yes! Oh my gosh! Sorry about that, guys. That's just the delay of the camera. Hold on, I want to get around here so I can get a better view. Oh yeah, never mind, back over here. Okay. Keegan, how about 9? Hello, doggy. Doggy. Okay, while we see the dog, we're heading over here. Say hello to YouTube.
Hell no. And she likes them.
Let's go find Blake, bro.
You got a damn phone, don't you? Yeah.
Give him the camera, yeah.
I am. Sweet bye. You want it? Here. Take the dang camera.
I have no football. I can't go in there. My mom will kill me.
Why?
Because she didn't like me getting dirty.
Is this a practice round or
This alone will kill her.
want to go ahead and get it out of her misery?
One.
Sophie!
Really big problem with me.
Whatever.
I heard Grandpa has a firecracker inside the camper.
Oh yeah, let's do some pranking.
Shut up. And this guy,
In this video, guys, we're doing some pranking.
let's play some.
With some firecrackers.
What's that?
Guys, are we doing some pranking in this video or what?
Shut up. What time is it?
6:04. Should we do it in the next video?
Sure.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do this in the next video, but the video is already available.
Dude, all you see is
So
just
you can
your
watch
giant freaking cheek.
Whatever, I don't give a crap. It's already
All right,
available
end it.
right now, guys.
Bye, guys.
See ya!